Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to show you a few tips on how to drive a lowered car. So my BMW M3 is lowered on EMD springs, and if you don't drive carefully you can easily scrap it on the floor, on speed bumps in your house, on when you park the car, on the supermarket. So today on this video I'm going to show you tips that will make you avoid those issues. Follow me.
Perfect. Perfect.
The first tip I will provide you is regarding the driveway. Most people have garages, and whenever you park on a garage that has a little hill like mine, as you can see right here, you have to be careful. I choose to always back up my car when I park because the rear of the car has more clearance than the front, because the rear is higher than the front. The front has the lip, and as you can see, it is sitting pretty low. Now, the M3 is a car that is low to the ground even from factory, so when you lower it, it go down even further. Every time I come down, I have to pay attention on the clearance here, this area right here. So the way you actually clear when I'm leaving the house every day is I have to go at an angle, which is what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Another tip is to park your car always backing up. Do not do this, having your car facing forward on the parking. The reason behind is in public garage, most of the places have these little stoppers that will stop the car from going over. So if you have a front lip, or even if you don't have a front lip and your car is lowered, what happens is that your front lip or the bottom of your car will hit that. A lot of time people break their front lip by pretty much just running them into this item right here. Now when you back up the car, which I'm going to show you in a second, you don't have this issue because the back clearance is further high than the front clearance. Let me demonstrate that. As you can see, the back has much clearance than the front. The front lip earlier was almost going to ram into this piece right here, this block. Here, the back diffuser, it's not going to touch even if I was going backward. Same thing for the exhaust. So there's enough clearance for the exhaust to even come on top of this. That is because the back is sitting higher than the front. Another tip is to install the trailer hitch camera on your car. Well, when I say install, is actually wrong. It's to code the trailer hitch camera. So whenever I put into reverse, which I'm going to do right now, you can see I'm still on the parking spot. That's still the bump that you saw earlier. And if I go on the left here and I go all the way down to trailer hitch zoom, you can see that it will show me exactly the bottom. So the camera angle will change, showing the bottom, and now I can see that little bump stop that was there, and that's how I stop right in time so that I don't hit it. So it's a easy, simple coding session. And if you guys want me to show you how to code this, let me know in the comment below and I can do a video and show you how to code it. It's pretty easy and it can help you save your exhaust or your bumper. As you can see here, I found a nice good speed bump around the neighborhood, and this one is pretty good. I've scrapped my car the way it is right now on this exact speed bump, so I'm going to show you how you can easily clear it with a lowered car. So the way you do it is actually you come at an angle, so your car will come this way and then you turn it, take it as an angle like this, and after your back wheel clear, then you can just resume by going. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that right now. The final tip that I'm going to give you is to know your surrounding. Anytime you drive, know the road ahead of you and know the road on the side and all of that. Because when you drive on a highway, the highway have a lot of imperfection. There are a few potholes, there are a few dips, there are a few curves and things like that. So those things can affect the way you drive. So what I would recommend you is that whenever you drive on a highway or any road, make sure that you avoid all those things. Don't go over potholes, because anytime you go over a pothole on the speed, bam, that's how you lose your front lip. That's how you lose your diffuser and also your exhaust. Because if you have a lowered car, pothole will decrease the amount of clearance that you have on the ground, and then with the speed you're going to hit it, and that motion is going to destroy whatever you have placed under the car. So that's something that I will definitely recommend, and that's what I'm using to keep my car in shape. Well, my car is the way it is right now, and those tips that I just provided you help me a lot. They help me a lot, and they can help you save a lot of money by not changing your front lip that often. So how did you find this type of video? These are the type of video where I provide you tips and guidelines. I'm going to start doing these type of vlogs just because a lot of people, like to know how I maintain my car, and that can help anyone out there, not just for the BMW, but any car that people can have. So let me change the camera here. Now, this is it for the video. Those were 5 tips that you can use to maintain your car and make sure that you don't damage your component installed on your car anytime you are lowered. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Tovek Motors. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel and also watch out my page on Facebook. Again, see you on the next video.